Hi guys, welcome to Buzz with Neha Varma. Today I am going to show you a DIY with an old frying pan. This can be used as home decor. You can use it you can hang it in your kitchen or in the dining area. It will look very pretty. So for this I'm using a brush and I'm using acrylic paints. So do not mix any water in this acrylic paint, just apply it as it is. I'm using white paint as primer, that is as the base coat for the frying pan. If you are using chalk paint, then there's no need of this base coat. You can directly use the color that you want to use. So if you're using acrylics, then go for this first coat of primer and then you can just draw your design and you can paint accordingly. So as you can see, I am covering the whole pan with this coat of white acrylic paint. I usually change these dosa pans once in every 3 years because the non-stick coating on the top starts peeling off. So instead of throwing them, do this DIY and you will have a beautiful art piece to hang it in your home. Next step is draw the design with the pencil, just a basic outline, and then you can paint it up. So according to the background color and the pattern of your artwork, you can fill it with 2 to 3 coats of paint. Then your brush strokes will not be seen. It will be really neat. I have done 2 coats here. You can do this yourself, or otherwise if you like this piece of artwork that I have done, then you can buy it from me through Instagram. You can DM me on my Instagram handle, that is Buzz with Neha Varma. And also if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.